फ्रेंड्स, एमसीक्यू बेस्ड इस वीडियो में इंसेक्ट पेस्ट एंड देयर इंपॉर्टेंस पे आज हम एमसीक्यू देखेंगे, प्लस हर ऑप्शन का एक्सप्लेनेशन भी इस वीडियो में दिया है। So this first MCQ, scientific name of Java stem borer is, options are Setophilus origi, Chilozonilus, Achantina and Ixodidi. See, this Java stem borer is the serious pest of Java plant, maize plant. And here the options are Setophilus origi first, but Setophilus origi is the stored grain pest. Then second option is Chilozonilus. Chilozonilus is the scientific name of Java stem borer. That's why the correct option is Chilozonilus. The third, Achatina. Achatina is the scientific name of snail. Snail we consider the nursery pest, and Ixodidi is the hard ticks, which we consider the veterinary pest. So here the scientific name of Java stem borer is Chilozonil. Next, dead heart in Java is caused by, options are Chilopartylus, Batocera rubus, crabs and Callicebruchus chinensis. See this dead heart in Java is caused by Java stem borer, and the scientific name of this Java stem borer is, here the correct option is Chilopartylus. So we call Chilozonilus. This Batocera rubus is the scientific name of mango stem borer. Crab is the non-insect pest of plant. Then Callicebruchus chinensis is the scientific name of pulse beetle. So see this Chilopartylus causes stem damage, uh, stem cut and fall on the ground, and in this way it causes the dead heart in Java. That's why here the correct option is Chilo. Yes. Next, which of the following is a minor pest of cotton? Options are bollworm, then red cotton bug, then pulse beetle and lucinodes. See this, bollworm is the major insect pest of cotton. Then second option, red cotton bug. Third, pulse beetle. Pulse beetle is the pest of pulse. Then Lucinodes originalis, it is the pest of brinjal. Now the remaining option is red cotton bug. So red cotton bug is the minor pest of cotton. The correct option is red cotton bug. Next is the scientific name of red cotton bug. Options are Milabrius pustulata, Chilus honilus, Lucinode urbonalis and Disdescus singulatus. See this, Disdescus singulatus is the scientific name of red cotton bug. Correct option is Disdescus singulatus. See this, Lucinode urbonalis, it is the scientific name of brinjal fruit borer. Chilus honilus is the scientific name of Chilozonilus is the scientific name of Java stem borer, and Milabrius pustulata, it is the scientific name of Pearl. It is the scientific name of Blister beetle. Here, Disdurcus singulatus is the scientific name of red cotton. Then, kidney-shaped orange spot on thorax is the characteristic feature of. See this picture. See this image. Here, the kidney-shaped orange spot on the thorax is the characteristic feature of. See this is the mango stem borer, which attacks on mango plant, bore the mango plants. Okay, here. And the options are Java stem borer, then mango stem borer, pulse beetle and rice weevil. So correct option is mango stem. Next, Batocera rubus is scientific name of. Options are Java stem borer, mango stem borer, pulse beetle and rice weevil. We know the scientific name of Java stem borer is Chilozonilus, Chilopartylus. Now the mango stem borer. This Batocera rubus is the scientific name of mango stem borer. Batocera rubimaculata or Batocera rubus is the scientific name of mango stem borer. And see this pulse beetle, the scientific name is Colossobruchus chinensis, then rice weevil, the rice weevil, Setophilus origi. Next, infection of mango stem borer is controlled by. Options are cutting and destroying infested branch of mango trees, then spraying borer solution in hole made by the mango stem borer. Next option is use of resistant varieties of mango, and the last option is all of the above. See this, infection of mango stem borer is controlled by. Options, cutting and destroying infested branch of mango tree. This practice we done in most of the insect pest. Then next, spraying borer solution in hole made by mango stem borer. This mango stem borer make the hole because it is a borer. This borer make the hole in stem. So this option is also correct. Then use of resistance varieties of mango. Yes, this option is also correct. We use resistance varieties of mango like Nilam. Here the correct option is all of the above. Next, rice weevil is a type of pest. Correct. Here the options are agricultural pest, medicinal pest, stored grain pest, and veterinary pest. We know agriculture pest means the insect pest which attack on agricultural plant and cause damage to agricultural crop, reduce the yield. This called agriculture pest like Jowar stem borer. Okay. Then medicinal pest which attacks on which is the importance of which is the medicinal importance which attacks on human and cause various disease, spread various disease. So this is the medicinal pest. Okay, like mosquito. Then stored grain pest. See this stored grain pest, the insect pest which attack on stored grain like rice. Okay, so that's why the correct option is rice weevil is a stored grain pest. Now next is veterinary pest. Veterinary pest which attacks on domestic animals like tick. Next, Scythophilus origi is the scientific name of. See this origi. Origi is the scientific name of rice. So Scythophilus origi is the scientific name of. See these options are Java stem borer, then rice weevil, then pulse beetle, and brinjal fruit borer. We know the Java stem borer, scientific name of Java stem borer, Chilus honilus or Chilopatylus. Then pulse beetles also we know it's the scientific name is Colocycrus chinensis. Then brinjal fruit borer also we know is the Lucinode orbonalis. Now the option remains is rice weevil. Rice weevil is the correct option. Scythophilus origi is the scientific name of rice. Next, hibernating stage of Java stem borer is egg. Options are egg, larva, pupa, and adult. All these are the 4 developmental stages in Java stem borer. We know Java stem borer is a holometabolous insect. All these stages are present in development of Java stem borer. Now here the question is hibernating stage. This larva is feeds on Jawar plants, stem of Jawar plants, okay, and cause damage like a dead heart. Here the correct option is larva. Larva is the hibernating stage of Java stem borer which undergoes the dormant period inside the stem. Next, it's commonly called as cotton red stainer. See this question, commonly called as cotton red stainer, which gives stain. Here which gives stain to cotton, and we know here options are Java stem borer, mango stem borer, red cotton bug, and rice weevil. We know the red cotton bug is the minor pest of cotton. Okay, so here the correct option is red cotton bug is commonly called as cotton red. Next, how many developmental stages present in red cotton bug development? Okay, see this in bug, mostly these bugs are hemimetabolous insect, and we know in hemimetabolous insect there are 3 developmental stages are present: egg, nymph, and adult. Okay, now here the options are 3, 2, 4, and 5. So correct option is 3. In the red cotton bug, 3 developmental stages are present. Means means this is called hemimetabolous insect. Next, scientific name of blister beetle. See this blister beetle. It is also called as flower beetle. Okay, is options are Milabreus pustulata, then Chilus honilus, Lucinor orbonalis, Lysidurcus singulatus. See these options. Second option Chilus honilus is the scientific name of Java stem borer. Then third option Lucinor orbonalis is the scientific name of brinjal fruit borer. And Lysidurcus singulatus is the scientific name of red cotton bug. Now the remaining option is Milabreus pustulata. This Milabreus pustulata is the correct option. It is the scientific name of flower beetle or blister beetle. All these blister beetles included in genus Hycleus. Okay, some blister beetle cause the blistering of skin. That's why this is also called as blister beetle, because they secrete the cantharidin acid like. Okay, cantharidin. This cantharidin causes blistering of skin. Next, larval stage of rice weevil is called. We know the different insect order have different larval name. Here the question is larval stage of rice weevil is called. Options are grub, maggot, caterpillar and nymph. Rice weevil is the coleopteran insects. Okay, and we know the coleopteran larva is called as grub. Here the correct option is grub. See this next second option maggot. Maggot is the dipteran larva like mosquito larva. Then caterpillar is the lepidopteran larva. Hymenopteran larva is called caterpillar, and nymph. Nymph is the developmental stage of hemimetabolous insect. So the larval stage of rice weevil is called as grub. Correct option is now. Colocyprusis chinensis is scientific name of options are Java stem borer, rice weevil, pulse beetle and blister beetle. Here the correct option is pulse beetle. Next, tick is an example of type of pest. We know the insect pests are of different types like agriculture pest, veterinary pest, stored grain pest, medicinal pest, household pest, forestry pest, nursery pest. Okay, to see this here the question is tick is an example of type of pest and options are agriculture pest. We know agriculture pest, pest which attacks on agriculture plant, then household pest, stored grain pest and veterinary pest. So here a tick is the blood sucking, okay, and it causes various disease, various problems in veterinary animal, domestic animal. So the tick is an example of veterinary type of pest. Next, hard body tick included in family. Options are Chelicerata, Arachnida, Argacidae and Ixodidae. We know the ticks are of two types, hard body tick and soft body tick. And here options are Chelicerata. Chelicerata, we know the Chelicerata is a subphylum of phylum Arthropoda, subphylum of tick Chelicerata. So, and here the question is family. Hard body tick included in which family? So the option A is incorrect because it is a subphylum. Then Arachnida, we know Arachnida is a class of phylum Arthropoda. So Arachnida is also incorrect option. Now next, Aragacidae and Ixodidae. So here correct option is Ixodidae, hard body tick. All hard body tick included in family Ixodidae. Araxidae is the soft bodied tick. Next, hard body tick differ from soft body tick having options are scutum, then hard skin. Next, both A and B and only A. See this, you will see the body of tick. Then this body is divided into two parts. Okay, in hard body tick, the scutum is present and its skin is very hard. So as compared to soft body tick, and so here the correct option is both A and B. Scutum and hard skin is present in hard body. Then which of the following is considered is an example of nursery pest? See these options: crab, rat, birds and snail. All these are the non-insect pest. See this crab which causes damage to paddy field, then rat, okay, then birds, then snail. So see this Achatina pulica. We know Achatina pulica is the scientific name of snail and which we consider the nursery pest. See the correct option is snail. Snail is considered as a nursery pest. Next, in Konkan region, many damage to paddy crop is caused by options are rice weevil, crab, snail and rat. Here the rice weevil is the stored grain pest. Okay, then crab is a non-insect pest, snail is a non-insect pest, rat is a non-insect pest. Here snail we consider the nursery pest. Now the next crabs. In Konkan region, many damage to paddy crop is caused by crabs. Correct option is crabs. Then rat and bandicoot in crop field is controlled by. If we want to control these rat and bandicoots in crop field, then it is controlled by. Here the options are First option using rodent trap, then hunting, then warfarin and fumigant, and all of the above. We use rodent trap to control this rat and bandicoot. We hunting this rat and bandicoot by using domestic cat, and we use warfarin and fumigant. Warfarin is a available rodenticides available this warfarin in markets. Then we also recommended fumigation to control the rat and bandicoot. So the correct option is all of the above.